Welcome to Solutek B2B. We are pleased to welcome you to one of the fastest growing B2B platforms in Latin America, specifically designed for the technology industry and its distribution network. Our mission is to facilitate collaboration between engineering companies and independent professionals in the field by connecting them with commercial clients seeking their services. Currently, Solutek B2B has more than 40,000 registered companies in over 20 countries across Latin America and the United States, where you need equipment from recognized brands such as Polycom, Cisco, Microsoft, HP, Dell, Uniper, Palo Alto, VMware, or a telecommunications field engineer to assist with installation. We are here to help you find the right engineering company or independent engineer for your project. Can you imagine being able to connect with engineers in companies before finishing your morning coffee? At Solutek B2B, we make this possible. Our platform is designed to simplify the hiring process, allowing engineers to submit bids, negotiate terms, and receive project details, all for the comfort of their office or smartphone. Additionally, our AI-based matchmaking system ensures that each project is perfectly matched with the best available engineer. For employers, our AI automates task management and oversees projects for timely and efficient execution, allowing them to enjoy more free time and achieve exceptional results. Solutek B2B was conceived by experts in technology, marketing, and telecommunications, committed to the success of engineers and engineering companies in an ever-evolving work economy. Thanks to our direct access to emerging technical talent, companies worldwide are embracing this new way of working to successfully complete projects and put an end to the backlog of pending technological tasks. At Solutek B2B, we accumulate over 5 million visits from business users per year, and we are constantly improving the platform with you in mind, providing you with direct access to exciting professional development opportunities and lucrative job offers, along with high-quality products and services. Solutek B2B represents the future of tech support and the technology industry in Latin America. We are here to drive your success and facilitate connections between top talent and employers. Join us on this exciting journey toward technological progress and create your profile on Solutek B2B.